Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Hugging Face has just dropped this small vision language model which promises to bring a new dimension to these vision language models all across the board. In this video, we are going to install it locally and we are also going to try it out with various images to see how it works. This model generates token around 8 to 16 times faster than Qwen 2 vision language, and we already have covered the Qwen 2 vision language model and that was also quite good. This model is a small 2 billion VLM built for on-device inference that has already outperformed all models at similar GPU RAM usage and tokens throughput, and I will also show you its GPU usage once we get to it. Other models at this size, by the way, crash at a laptop, but SmolVLM comfortably generates 17 tokens per second on a MacBook, by the way, as per their model card. Now, this model is quite compact. It accepts arbitrary sequences of image and text input to produce text output. It has been designed for efficiency. It can answer questions about images, describe visual content, create stories grounded on multiple images, or function as a pure language model without visual inputs. Its lightweight architecture makes it really suitable for on device applications while maintaining strong performance on multimodal tasks. The license is, as usual, Apache 2, which is really good, of Hugging Face. And if you have been following my channel, I covered a model ID fix from Hugging Face, all version of it. So the architecture of this small VLM is based on that ID fix. So that is a quick intro. Let's get it installed locally. Before that, let me give a huge thanks to Agent QL who are sponsoring the video. Agent QL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. Agent QL works on any page. It is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. And I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, so let me take you to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu 22.04 and let me create a virtual environment. Let's wait for it. And now let's install all the prerequisites, which include the usual torch, torch vision, torch audio, pillow, transformers. All the prerequisites are done. Let's go to our browser environment in Jupyter Notebook to download the model. And now let's download and initialize our model after importing the libraries which we have installed. And if you have GPU, it is going to use GPU, and otherwise it is going to run on the CPU. Also, it uses flash attention if you have it enabled. If not, that is fine. I already have it enabled, and if you want to know how to do that, please search my channel. Let me run this, and it has started downloading the model. As you can see, it is just around 4.5 gig, which is not huge for a vision model. And the model is downloaded, as you can see. Next, let's try to do the inference. For inference, the code is quite similar. We are specifying couple of images, then we are creating the prompt template here, and then we are preparing the input where we are using the processor to tokenize our input, give it to the model, and also use it on the device, CPU or CUDA. And then model is generating the output which we are processing and then printing it out. The images which I'm going to use is, the first one is this Statue of Liberty in US, and the second one is this bee on the flower. So let me run it, because we are all we are asking it to do is to do the vision and describe the two images. So let's run it, and it was fairly quick. So let me show you. So it says the first image shows the statue of Liberty in front of a cityscape with a body of water and clear sky, and the second image shows a bee on a pink flower surrounded by other flowers and plants. So not only quite short, but also I think to the point, which is good. That is what we expect from small models running on edge devices. And now in the next text, I'm going to ask it to do the OCR of this image. So if I just take you above, you see that I have just given it the path to my local image here. And in the text prompt, I'm asking it to, can you extract text from image? And this is the image which I have run it through. And if I take you down, there you go. So the assistant is telling me the quick brown fox jumps over this, and I'm just quickly checking. Most of it look quite good to me, even it has captured the umlauts on top of words such as rapido. Alphanumeric is fine. It has also identified other languages than English, so OCR is quite good for such a small model. This is really amazing. So let's try a few more. Now in the next example, I'm asking it this black and white as which city is this and what could be the year of photo. It's a black and white one. Let me run it and we will also see the VRAM consumption. So let's run it. It is running. Let me take you here. And it is just close to 6 GB of VRAM it is consuming at the moment. Okay, and it has told us this is the city of Sydney and the year of photo is 2010, which is quite accurate, I would say, because all these buildings were there. It is not an old image, even if it is a black and white image, so which is quite good. uh, but it is quite deterministic. It could be, I mean, it's a recent one, it might not be 2010, but really good stuff. Okay, so in the next example, I'm giving it this decorated truck image and I'm asking it, can you explain the decoration on this truck in the image? It says the truck is decorated with colorful patterns and designs, which is correct. So you see, the model is quite short. Now I'm going to ask it the color of this rim. Let's see if model is able to do that. So you see that I have asked it what is the color of rim of the truck in the image, and it has said that it is orange, which is quite good, very impressive. And in the next one, I'm asking it to describe this image to see if it can recognize humans. Let's go down, and there you go. So it says in the image there are two persons standing and holding each other. In the background there are plants, flowers, trees, and mountains. At the top there is a sky, which is quite good, not bad at all. And by the way, this VM and GPU is sponsored by Massed Compute. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this small VLM. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.